Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix packet loss, net jitters and high ping for Dota 2. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what I suggest to do here is to create a restore point. In order something went bad, you can always go back and restore your PC to the before the changes. So press create, select, for example, just write Dota 2, press create and wait until a restore point will be created. And if something went bad, you can always go back, press configure here, press to system restore, choose a different restore point and select the one that you created and just complete the step. So this is the first step. Second step, what you need to do here, you need to write view network connections and then disable everything and leave what you only use. In my case, I only use Ethernet, so I will leave everything disabled except my Ethernet. For you, of course, it may be different. But here, just right click on your internet connection, go to properties, and then only leave client for Microsoft networks and IPv4 enabled and everything disabled, right? Then go to and press on configure, press yes, go to power management mode and only leave allow this device to wake the computer. Then go to advanced, and then here you need to copy my settings. So advanced EEE, RP offload and EE disabled. EE max support speed, leave it as it is. Energy efficient Ethernet disabled. Flow control, gigabyte light and green Ethernet disabled. Interruption moderation, IPv4 checksum offload disabled as well with jumbo frame as well. Then large send offload v2 IPv4 with IPv6 disabled. Network address not present. NS offload disabled. Power saving mode with priority power saving mode disabled. Priority VLAN should be value priority and VLAN enabled. Receive buffers, leave it as it is. Shutdown wake on LAN disabled. Speed and duplex should be highest available. TCP checksum offload IPv4. TCP checksum offload IPv6 disabled. Transmit buffers, leave it as this. UDP checksum offload IPv4 with IPv6 disabled. VLAN ID 0 or leave it as this. Wake on magic packet disabled. Wake on pattern match disabled. And WOL shutdown link speed, leave it as it is. And then don't forget to apply changes. Then what we need to do here is to go to properties and then go to Internet Protocol version 4, and then you need to change DNS server addresses. But first we need to test it out which one is getting better results. So there is Google ones with 8.8.8.8 and on alternate 8.8.4.4 and Cloudflare with 1.1.1.1 and with 1.0.0.1. To test it out, you just need to open up CMD as admin. And then you need to first, I will write Google ones. So ping and then first DNS 8.8.8.8 and then look what MS you're getting on average. With Google one first, I'm getting 7 MS, and with second one, as you can see, ping 8.8.4.4, I'm getting 7 MS as well. With Cloudflare's, ping 1.1.1.1. With first DNS, I'm getting 3 MS. And with second one, 1.0.0.1, I'm getting 4 MS. So clearly for me, better Cloudflare. So I just need to put it here, right? And then apply the changes, restart your computer and look if you're getting better results or not. And still, if the problem persists, if you're not getting good results, then I highly advise you to use a ExitLag. I believe it has a free trial, or it costs, I believe 4 or 5 euros. So you just need to click the link below. Of course, if you buy something from here, I will get a commission. But with a free trial, you just need to go to library, select Dota 2 here, then select a advanced settings or choose region, and then select your region, and then apply routes and run the game. When I had a bad internet, I didn't had a Ethernet connection. I always used ExitLag, basically playing CS2, and I was not having any lags or packet losses, right? So just test it out. Look, maybe it will work for you. So yeah, that's basically it. If I help you out, please press like.